What if I told you there's a compact luxury sedan that delivers supercar-level excitement every time you hit the accelerator? Meet the Mercedes-AMG CLA 45. It's stylish, incredibly fast, and packed with advanced technology that makes every drive unforgettable. Let's explore what makes this AMG machine one of the most exciting performance sedans in its class. The Mercedes-AMG CLA 45 immediately grabs attention with its aggressive yet elegant design. Up front, the signature AMG Panamericana grille gives the car a bold personality, while the sharp LED headlights create an unmistakable road presence. Large air intakes improve cooling and aerodynamics, while the sculpted hood adds a muscular appearance. Along the sides, the sleek coupe-inspired roofline flows beautifully into the rear, giving the CLA 45 a sporty silhouette. At the back, you'll find a stylish rear diffuser, a subtle spoiler, quad exhaust outlets, and distinctive LED taillights that complete its performance-focused design. Every angle of this car reminds you that it's built for speed without sacrificing luxury. Now let's talk about what really makes the AMG CLA 45 special: its incredible performance. Under the hood is a handcrafted 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing around 416 horsepower and 500 Newton-meters of torque. Power is delivered through an 8-speed AMG SpeedShift dual-clutch transmission paired with the advanced 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system. The result? 0 to 100 kilometers per hour takes just about 4 seconds, making this compact sedan surprisingly quick. The adaptive suspension keeps the ride comfortable during everyday driving, but switch into sport or race mode, and the CLA 45 transforms into an aggressive corner carving machine. Precise steering, excellent grip, and lightning-fast gear changes make every drive exciting. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a cabin that perfectly blends luxury and performance. AMG Sport seats provide excellent support, while premium leather, Alcantara accents, and carbon fiber trim create a high-end atmosphere. The dual digital displays serve as both the instrument cluster and infotainment system, powered by Mercedes' latest MBUX interface. Voice commands, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and customizable AMG performance displays are all available. Drivers can also monitor boost pressure, lap times, engine temperature, and performance data directly from the digital dashboard. Safety is equally impressive, with adaptive cruise control, active brake assist, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, parking sensors, and a 360-degree camera, making daily driving both safe and convenient. The Mercedes-AMG CLA 45 proves that you don't need a large sports car to experience thrilling performance. It combines luxury, cutting-edge technology, everyday practicality, and genuine AMG excitement into one impressive package. If you're looking for a compact luxury sedan that delivers both comfort and adrenaline, the AMG CLA 45 deserves a place at the very top of your list. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive reviews and the latest car updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.